Yo, Chaddy Murray TV. Make them know say, so that one ya Flagger exclusive. You hear that? Chat them a chat. Make them know you do it. Yo, Chaddy, yo.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if it's the first time checking out the Chaddy Murray TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you are gonna be the first to know. So people, yesterday I uploaded a snippet of an interview, you see me, with Momo explain herself. I say, yo, she never mean fi hurt Bumpa. And if you don't know what really a go on, this dancer did a dance and she accidentally like drop on the girl neck, broke her neck. Me I go pin the link to that video in the comment section or in the description so you can actually follow up because me don't want to explain all of that. What me explained yesterday already. Alright. So people, me have the full length interview. Me have the full length coverage, media coverage where CVM they do, and me I go play it for you right now. Alright, so CVM TV, uno big up on yourself and uno get the exclusive for that one. Me just literally I go react to it. Alright, and then at the end, me I go on my thoughts, my views, and definitely my opinion. Alright, so here is the video right now.
Kadeen Ormsby is asking for forgiveness. The dancer, also known as Momo, was involved in a freak acrobatic street dancing accident last week. She and her dance partner Roxanne Evans, also known as Bumpa, had practiced the stunt countless times. Kadeen would usually jump through Roxanne's legs while she danced on her head. This time, Kadeen misjudged and fell on top of Roxanne, who died, her neck broken.
You guys see the video, and the video is an accident. I didn't mean to intentionally hurt her. And I just want to say to the family that I'm sorry for the cost of their daughter's life.
She's asking members of the public to stop circulating fake news about the accident and is denying reports of tensions between her and the dancer, which she fears may further upset the victim's family. Ms. Ormsby explained that she has been forced to maintain a low profile. Photos have been circulating online that she is missing and or wanted by the police. But Ms. Ormsby revealed that she gave statements to the Lucy police station. CVM Live called to verify her report, which was confirmed by the police's criminal investigations branch in Lucy.
I feel down a couple days, I eat. Come here and say, why people that do that, I'm going to give me a statement.
People wicked, you know?
Because them not see me or whatsoever, why them a do it? Because I don't see the sense of doing it. Come go give me a statement. I give me a statement at the Falmouth police station and then fax it to the Lucy police station. So I don't know why people that say me most wanted and wanted out them if you're going to give me a statement.
Now, she says she's been receiving countless death threats, which has affected her mentally. She explains that despite the incident, the victim was her friend. And while she would like to pay her last respect, she's fearful of what may happen.
I'm living in fear because I don't know who and who is out there and who is planning to hurt me. So I have to just stay on a low profile until I heard everything is cleared up.
Would you like to attend the funeral, if you could?
Yes, I would.
The 22-year-old reveals that she has closed the door on promotional dancing, but would like to continue her dancing career, this time in the tourism industry. Jamila Maitland for CVM Live.
Alright, so as I said, that video was aired last night on CVM television. You see me? So big up CVM for that clip there. CVM did the whole of the work for that. Now, my opinion and my views, everything, it just rough. It rough on both parties because me I tell you, both life get shake up. One of them shake up totally, as in them not gonna ever see back life again. Them not gonna ever see back road again or nothing like that. Them family are mourn for them. And this young lady, when you Momo, fear life shake up too because she can't earn a living right now. And if she have a kid, are the same thing, the kid not go earn because she not work. You see me? So everybody where did that depend on she get shake up, likewise Momo. But the part of it, yo, are the people them who go around and a spread fake news, a spread rumor. You see me? Them a spread rumor. Me nah go tell no lie still, you know. You see, we as vloggers, so we have a lot to do with some of them viral topic here. Because sometimes every topic we take up and run with. Me nah say, yo, in this, it might be, yo, it's the vlogger's fault, you know. It's not necessarily the vlogger's fault, but me just a say. You see me? Vlogger them get topic and them run with. Sometimes them never screen out some topic and say, yo, watch you know, I'm not run with that, you know, because it bring off such a negative impact. But then again, it did all over in the media. You see me? So, me did hear a report say she run away. Yes, she said that a lie. She said she did go to Trinidad. She said that a lie. And said she did want it from the police. Well, that's a lie. You see me? She did go in and give her statement. But people still a say she not give no statement. And people still a say this and people still a say that. That's one of the good thing and one of the bad thing about social media. You see me? So, may I plead to everybody who watch this right now. Me really feel like say is a sincere apology. Or me feel like say she'd never kill a girl for spite of accident. And even in the video when I do yesterday, you know, was it yesterday or this morning? I not even remember. But the previous video when I do, people in the comment section I say, yo, she look like she a smile and stuff like that. But me play about that little part, yeah. See me? And everybody I go forward and a ball like a cry and them thing there. Like right here so. People are say she look like she a smile or she not look sincere enough. You can't, and everybody will go there ball and I say, yo, John was star, she dead and re. The girl fear for her life, yo. She fear for her life. So, you just ease up off of the girl and stop spread them fake thing. You see me? Because most of who we attack, them never did that. Let me repeat again. Most of who we attack, I mean not attack the vloggers them now, you know, or the people them in the media, you know. Who don't know who start pointing the finger them first. And them people we attack, them never did there. Them just a ear said this and a ear said that and a ear that. And now them put the girl life in a jeopardy. She have to go tourism side. She said she have to go do now and yo, you know them thing they go. Sometimes nobody now probably want to go IR based on the little controversy thing we are surround her and the whole of them thing there. So people, please, we could just stop fuel, put fire to that situation. Yeah. You see me? And I make it grow big. You see it? Make she can continue to live her life and make everything just go smooth and alright. You see me? So, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. People, I want to leave a like on this video. Alright? And if it's the first time you're checking out the Chaddy More TV, hit the subscribe button. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely I go be the first to know. I go play back. Nah, I'm not play back that time here. And so the last thing I'm gonna say. You see me? Social media. It's very powerful. I can take up my phone right as now and say, yo, me hear say coronavirus, they are St. Thomas and 3 people get infected, but the government them a hold it down. And just download probably all a picture off the internet. Just send one little, all the voice note alone can send. Send on a WhatsApp blast, send on Facebook. Everybody take it and run with it. And where you get your spread? False news. People make a try filter out what we believe, filter out what we take in. You see, because me myself have a responsibility of a vlogger, you know. Fi filter out what me give to my subscriber them. So that's why I'm going to try very hard for always a go on facts. You get me I say? Facts. Because You don't see how it can mash up some people's life negatively. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and remember, one way, or any other way, or the wrong way. Alright, I'm out.